What's happening, Ghazal?
Listen, I really can't decide. Which one do you think is looking better?
I think both.
Really? Okay, wait a second. Okay, gotta choose a clutch.
Okay, come on, let's hurry.
Leaving?
Look back.
We're getting out late now. If a year ago you'd have told me that I'd be in Rajasthan shooting fashion films,
Action.
I'd say you're kidding.
Okay, rolling.
You see, even before people box you in a fixed role, there's this tiny voice inside your head that basically does it for them. For me, that voice said, "You're not pretty enough to make fashion films. You're not fit enough. You're not stylish enough. You should just stick to travel."
And got it.
कैमल कैसे चल रहा है? Very funny.
It literally like snuck me. You could tell me or something.
Don't move with that.
But then you find this moment of courage, of faith, that transcends you and your concocted constraints. You gotta hold on to that. Act on it. Because for me, that's all it took to end weeks, even years of self-doubt. I mean that, and a bit of hard work. With one season of my fashion series on Instagram down, and season 2 of Brown Girl Wardrobe going strong, this is me telling that voice that I can't be limited. That I'm allowing myself to be more, to become more, over and over again throughout my life. To transform radically and not adhere to the role that's been set for me by someone else. So let me ask this. Who are you beyond that tiny voice of self-doubt? So we're staying at this beautiful place, the Desert Resort Mandava, and let me show you guys around. Come on.
I think we should show them around.
Oh yeah? Okay. Okay, so these are the beautiful cottages. It's a very rural setting. I'm already in love with the doors. They remind me of this book, The Palace of Illusions, where the cover is one of these ancient doors, and I think they just take you back into another century. What do you think? Don't these look really interesting? So I just got to know that all of this is actually made of matkas. I mean, isn't that so creative? Okay, I am really hungry now. Please let's go eat now. Hanji, le aayi. I cannot wait. This is not gluten free, but I'll still have it. This looks like a juicy piece. सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है. ओरिजिनल है क्या? Gotta have lal mas. The specialty, Kher Sangri. We need to try this. I've been dying to try this. My nose is already running. The dal bari churma. वो हाथ से मिलाना है. Oh, इसके अंदर there's so much ghee. It's very satisfying.
How's the flavor though?
It's
Something else.
something else. Oh, dude, even the mirchi is too good.
And there goes the napkin.
ये actually बहुत fresh है. It's actually from the milk of the cow that's right outside. So it's like a real farm to table experience that I'm having right now. Okay,
The sounds, I think,
let's not go there.
it's too healthy too, yeah?
It is, yeah, because it's all homegrown. It's just fruits and vegetables if you think about it. I mean, I'm practically eating a salad.
With a blast of flavor.
And ghee. And love. है ना? हाँ. Is there food on my face? This is Nandi. She is the resident donkey of this farm and apparently she's the owner's favorite. And I see why. She is extremely cute. He's trying to sniff his hairs. He's got a front fringe. They all went as fast as they came. You know what? You know what I'm thinking?
Not exactly.
I'm thinking that, dude, travel makes you realize so much. Like, I feel like I love people. I love solitude. I love just being, like, within and without. And you'll probably hate me for saying this, but like, I love life. And it's just got so much potential. What I say may sound cheesy, but I feel like I can fly life to the most romantic honeymoon in the world and still take its breath away.
You got all of that from petting Nandi.
Yeah. This castle was built in 1755 and I mean you can just see how grand this is, and it actually reminds me of something. This reminds me of when I was young and I wanted to be a princess. And don't judge me because I can't be the only one, right? I mean that's what the fairy tales made us believe, with their princesses and their castles and their happily ever afters. But you see, I don't think that anymore. Now, I aspire to be so much more than a princess. Now, I aspire to be the most raw and real and honest version of myself. And I don't want to live in a golden cage because it's a cage nonetheless. And that doesn't just mean royal embellishments. It symbolizes so much more, especially today. Now I want to live and express my dreams. And I don't think princesses get to do that much. Now I want to go on to say that I've lived 1,000 lives and then live 1,000 more. Do you feel me? And just before I go, I want to leave you with these lines by Iqbal.
नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसरे सुल्तानों के गुंबद पर, तू शाहीन है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों पर. Which means your nest is not atop the dome of a royal palace. You are a royal falcon. Build your nest on a mountain peak.